Did a still.
Huh.
Foreign power, Jesus. Wow. I didn't think you were going to pull that out of your freaking sleeve, man. That's a bit of a shocker.
As good as Gilbert, right?
Better.
Good to hear it from you. I got class
And I got high standards, as you know. The only thing that's missing is SP equipment now.
Get a club someday of this, Dave.
Huh?
I would like to get a club someday of this.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. If I get some end scale stuff and I can't build a layout at my house, I might leave it with you, if you don't mind.
Alright.
Hey, Bill?
Yeah.
After I'm done recording the video, I think we're going to negotiate here. Was that the actual first switcher you ever had running on that layout?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you know what we should do is start a club, an N-Skill club right here.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, you got your first member then, because I would like to be involved in it, if you don't mind.
Yeah. I'd like to get a dumbass smoker someplace where it's a little bigger than this even.
No, I think it's just perfect the way it is. I would not do any more with it.
Yeah, I guess you can have a point of satisfaction.
I'm willing to promote it on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what we could do is make it part of the Northern Berkshire line, put the N-Skill version.
Yeah.
If you want to do it that way.
I think it's a thought first, so.
Okay.
Super thought. I mean, it's hard to run this thing by myself.
Oh, hey, you got someone that's willing to come up on Fridays to run some trains on this.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, one thing at a time, at least another, like you said.
You still got your high 8 camcorder?
No.
What happened to it?
Look at that.
That's not good.
I can't get, well, I don't have any more. I got the one that has the tip in it.
Oh.
Those are obsolete now anyway, you can't get them anymore. You can't get the high 8 tapes anymore, I think.
Oh, you still could get the tapes. I've had no problem.
Right? Yeah, but you can't get the camera to go with it now.
Actually, they're still available. You just got to get to the right electronics store.
Yeah. I use the chip now, it's a lot convenient. I got the express thing, stick it
Yep.
up to the camcorder and mix things up in about 10 minutes.
Got a picture of you, Bill. This is goddamn freaking big compared to mine. I'd hate to see what mine would look like if it was like this.
I need to move it though.
Trust me, I would not want to have to go through that much aggravation.
It isn't sensitive, I can't take it apart to hit.
Now, you got things numbered here. What is the number in relation to the layout?
Oh, is that on side where it says like 15, 5 and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's just sections.
Oh, yeah, module, if I remember
Yeah,
correctly.
right. Do you notice between Like 8-foot sections, like a splicer track.
Yeah. Yeah, kind
I
of.
can take that apart. If I had to get out of here, I could take it apart.
Nice.
The only thing is I have a lot of wire underneath now. I have to split that if I had to do that.
You know, Bill, I think we will officially get this club going. You got your first member.
I'll tell you what. Got the trains running evenly.
Yeah, at least you're running an SD80 Mac at CSX and a switcher.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm gonna have some people literally crapping themselves on Facebook when they see these photos.
Take that shot, can't you? Yeah.
Yeah, with the camera equipment I have, yes, I can.
Just there.
Hey, where's that other train at?
Big one?
Yeah.
Over and over here.
Well, it's just been. Oh, it's moving slowly.
Yeah, I got it going slow.
I'm used. You gotta forgive me. I'm used to running high speed.
And steel, this is probably doing about 30 right here.
Okay, so we gotta
You
speed.
remember, it's N-scale, not each other.
Well, you gotta forgive me. You want me to stop that for you?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Careful, turn the lights off.
Well, go on ahead. Wow! Holy crap! Yeah, the other side's like pitch black.
Yeah, there's a cord that goes out. I gotta set it up there.
Well, if you ever need some help with this, I'd be more than happy to help out once in a while if you like.
Okay, do it sectionally.
Okay. You can put the lights back on there, Bill.
Alright.
Wow. Jesus.
You see the city?
Yeah, it's
Walk down the other side. Walk down the other side.
okay. I just gotta make sure I don't.
I want you to see that.
Wow. Holy god dang crap. Don't do nothing until I tell you.
Take all the pictures you want.
This almost, yeah, I don't know if you ever remember I can't get the digital cameras not letting me take pictures in the dark.
Oh, really?
But the video's working fine.
Yeah.
This almost looks like that scene from the opening scene from when they were doing the movies on HBO, that model city and town and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, you can turn her back on.
You got a guy to do all that stuff.
It's incredible. You ever think of working in Hollywood? Wow.
Well, I think it'd be small, kind of small.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I probably could.
You'd make yourself a frickin' mint with this.
They don't for it in that, but I don't get paid for it. I should get paid. The guy in Boston, but at least I'm keeping myself alive.
I hear you. Okay, what the? Oh, duh! I shut the camera off. How stupid of me!
You want to put the lights off again? I can turn the lights off.
We might do that down the road.
Slow it down a little bit.
I'll let you know when.
No.
Wow. Early morning.
Good, hopefully.
Yeah, one thing, this looks pretty darn good with the lights off in the background and the foreground.
Maybe different thing. Around.
Oh, if you ever decide to get some HO stuff, you're more than welcome to bring it down and run it on my layout if you like.
Yeah. I'm in N scale. Do more with it. You need a gossip page now.
Oh yeah, you know something? The first video I posted of your layout, the 20-year one,
Yeah.
you should have seen the likes it got.
I bet.
Actually, turn the lights off again. I'm gonna try to get us. Whoops! I'm getting too freaking fat, and I know it. Actually, I got 1 day a week aside set to do bicycle in the trail. I'm actually gonna film it.
Oh yeah, no, I got that ball time. I filmed it.
Bill, I think this is gonna turn out to be interesting.
You don't run it too fast.
No, this is pretty good. The local stopped.
You don't like to see what's going on with it?
I can't see nothing over here. It's like pitch black.